This has got to be one of the easiest pasta dishes in the world. Without doubt, one of my favourites. I've been eating this dish since I was a very little boy. It's as simple as that. Chopped onion. Chopped bacon. In with your streaky bacon, unsmoked. What I'm doing is I'm cooking them without colour, just to soften them, to remove the water content within them, to remove the acidity, to bring out the natural sweetness. With the bacon, by cooking the bacon, what we do is we render the fat, so it becomes deliciously edible. Time to add a tiny little bit of garlic for the last few minutes of cooking. The beauty of this dish, it doesn't have to be finely chopped. It can be quite coarse, it can be quite rough, like the bacon, the onions, the garlic. Most people will have an onion, a packet of pasta, a piece of bacon, tomato puree, some tomato puree, the secret ingredient. So as you can see, they're cooked without any colour. Remember, it's not very expensive. What is it there? 6 rashers of bacon, 1 onion, bit of olive oil. As always, push it down the sides. Again, tomato puree. To your taste, I like tomato puree. In with the pasta. Mix it in very well. Here we have the pasta my dear mother used to cook for us when we were children. The only difference is it has a bit of touch of taste.